Hello there, and welcome to this exciting section. In this section, we're going to be learning and experimenting with feed-forward neural network. We have both supervised and unsupervised sections. So let's get started with this experiment sheet. In this, we're going to get some perspective about what you're going to be doing in this section, and also you can use it later on to conduct your own experiments and log that information. Alright, so we have basic information, lecture name, the platform which we're gonna use, the problem type, input type, features, and the different hidden layers and the number of neurons in each layer, the activation function, optimizer, loss function, learning rate, regularization, different kinds of loss, epochs, and MAE. Alright, so this section is largely divided into two parts. One is for the supervised and one is for the unsupervised. For the supervised learning, we're going to be using the TensorFlow's playground, and these are different lecture names. So first we're going to start off with a basic perceptron and then build a more denser and more wider network as we go on. And of course we're going to be changing the input data set, the features, and different parameters of the network itself. So adding more hidden layers, adding more neurons, and experimenting with different activation functions, learning rate, regularization, and more. Now coming to the next part, which is the unsupervised. This is basically regression. For this, we're going to be using the Google Scholar project. This is a browser-based IPython notebook, and this was also divided into different parts. So we're going to start with the basic default example from Google, and then we're going to experiment with different settings in the feed-forward network. So first we will start shallow, then build a deep one, and then use an Adam optimizer, and then we will experiment with different learning rates and epochs. So all this information is logged here. As you can see, the information, the different hidden layers, the optimizers, and so on. This is going to be an exciting section, and once you're done and you've logged all the information, you will get a pretty solid understanding of the feed-forward neural networks. Great, let's get started.